What's up, Backyard Dippers? John with Discount Saw Pool here, back with another What's in the Box video. Today over the aftermarket replacement cell compatible with the Pentair IntelliChlor systems. Alright, so this model comes with 3 different sizes. They replace the IC20, the IC40, and the IC60. Okay, so let's open this box up and see what we got in here. Alright guys, so here in front of us is the aftermarket replacement cell. Now this is 100% compatible with the existing Pentair power supply centers. Okay, so no replumbing necessary. Alright, this is good news. Plug and play, something almost anybody can do, really a matter of minutes. Now first thing you'll notice is the design. Alright, certainly looks a tad different than the Pentair cell, but it operates the same general way and also has some added benefits that I really think you might enjoy. Let's go over them real quick. Alright, this is your control panel LED screen that provides you with things like salinity readings, output level, water temp reading, and like the original cell, its indicator lights alert you to issues with the cell level, dirty cell, or even if you have adequate flow. All of this on a very user-friendly interface and easy to read display. Now this comes standard with a built-in flow switch similar to the Pentair cell that you might have, and warranty is a 2-year limited with a 10,000 hour rated lifespan for the cell. Alright, so this means that it should meet or exceed the original factory specs. So if you're looking for a replacement cell option that's a little less expensive than that OEM cell, but with still good performance, this might be a good option for you. Anyways, that wraps up the aftermarket replacement cell. You can find it on our website, discountsawpool.com. And if you have any questions, just give us a call. All right, please remember, we'll take care of you guys. Thank you.